This is the egg that I got early this morning. I found it in the nesting box, first light. And so it's very large, but you can see it's rubbery. I haven't had a rubbery one like this for a long time. Sometimes when they lay one like this, though, it gets confusing to them. They're like, well, I still think I need to look at it. It's still a good egg. I could eat it. What I'll probably do, though, is I'll probably feed it back to them. I'll scramble it. You might wonder how strong these are, even with the rubbery egg. See, I'm pushing on it. So that's why I was wondering, it's like, how does it not break before it comes out of their body? Oh, there it went. But it's so rubbery that I guess it just comes right on out. Look how rich that is. Look at the color of that. Isn't that nice? Bright orange. And the other thing that makes me think that this is Phoenix or PK. Do you see how big that yolk was? None of those, the Wyandottes, would never have laid an egg. Their first egg with that size yolk. So this is Phoenix or PK. These are eggshells that people have sent to me, people that I sell my eggs to or give them to, give me back the shells. And what I do is I dry them if they're not already dry. I either leave them in half or I smush them. Now this person crushed them for me already. And then I put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So now these are super hot now. Yeah, they're hot. And what I'll do is I will crush them even more. How I crush them is I put them into this large plastic bag. I just, put it on the plate and everything. And then I take another plate and I put it in there, like so. What I do is I push on this end to just kind of start the crushing process. Otherwise, the eggs just come completely out. And then I seal the bag almost all the way so I can get more of the air out. And then I just start crushing it. I usually use 2 hands to do this, but, I'm demonstrating. Then I take it out and you're like, it looks the same. Well, it does look, the lady who gave it back to me had already crushed them pretty well, but I am getting it a little bit smaller because there were some that were pretty big in there. But I find this is small enough. There's a couple of larger ones, but they break it anyway. They don't just like grab this whole thing and they crush it up some more. And there you go. And then I put it in a jar and give it to the hens. The nice thing about using a paper plate is you can just fold it in half like this and make yourself a little, not a funnel, but it's a very easy way to dump it into your jar. It's an easy way to dump it into your jar using that paper plate. And then